Sometimes there might be a cases where more than one rule pointing to the same selector or pointing to the same element. So what will happen, right? So there are few rules, okay? What happens, okay? There are few rules, okay, to control those things, okay? So let's see, okay, what happened when rules collide. Number one, okay, the inheritance. Children element will automatically inherit its parent style. Okay. If your mother if your mother is Bangla, your father also is Bangla. Okay, you cannot become Malay suddenly. All right, because you also will automatically inherit your parents' gene, so you will become Bangla also. The same goes with HTML and CSS. Okay, if the parents element, okay, let's say in this case, okay, if H1 is color blue, meaning that the children element inside H1 will also inherit, okay, the same style. Children element automatically inherits, okay, its parents' style, right? Number two, specificity. Okay, specificity. Now, in specificity, the more specific selector will win over the less specific one. I repeat again, the more specific selector will win over the less specific one. All right. Now, I will explain to you about the CSS building blocks, okay, after this, so that you know what does it mean by selector, okay. But in this case, for example, if you look here, okay, up here, I mentioned H1 color blue, for example, meaning that, okay, heading 1 should be blue in color, okay? But down below here, we have like H1EM, right? What does it mean? Okay, so H1EM, in H1EM, meaning that, okay, only EM is actually italic, okay? Only EM in H1 should be colored green in this case. Okay, so if we compare between H1 and H1EM, we know that H1EM is more specific. So in this case, okay, because this selector is more specific, meaning that the browser or the web will follow instruction from this selector. Okay, they are more specific. Number three, recency. Latest CSS will win over the previous one. In this case, for example, you tengok, okay, first we declare EM color blue, and then suddenly, okay, we made a new declaration, EM color green. Green come after blue. So which one the page will follow? In this case, because green, okay, is the most recent, all right, so EM will be colored in green, right? Because it is the latest style. Okay. And then number four, location. Okay. What happened, okay, if we use all the three CSS file? Okay. We apply external, we use internal, and at the same time, we also use local. So which one the page will follow? The answer is like this. If external versus internal, okay, the one that will win is internal. Why? Okay, because internal, okay, located in the head section of the HTML. And therefore, okay, internal is closer to the HTML file compared to external, which reside on a separated file. All right. If internal versus local, who will win? Right? In this case, definitely local. Why? Because local located in the element itself. Internal only located at the head section, but local style, okay, located in the element itself. So in terms of location, the closest CSS will win. So that's it, guys. Okay, the four situation, okay, or what happens, okay, the rule, okay, when rules collide, right?